Okay guys, we are doing Systems of Word Problems today. I'm just basically going to click through the slides here because all of the answers are on here and there's not really much to explain. So if you need some time, please make sure to pause the video so that you can work at your own pace. So this is your warm-up. You should have got it on Tuesday. If you didn't, the sub has extra copies at the front. Go ahead and take some time to fill that in and then check your answers with mine. So pause the video here. Yours says substitution right here for some reason. I don't know why, but it should be subtraction, so please make sure to cross that out and then fix your answers if you have something different than what I do. So whenever you see these words in your word problems, these are the words that help you determine what kind of problem or equation you can make. So the difference between an expression and an expression has no equal sign, so like x minus 3. An equation has an equal sign, so like x minus 3 equals 6. You guys will be able to define variables and create two equations from a given word problem. You're going to use substitution or elimination to solve and then interpret the solution. So I'm not going to read these through for you, but pause the video and read through it. The most important thing here is that we have 3 apple pies, 2 pumpkin for a cost of $52, and then 6 apple pies and 3 pumpkin for a cost of $87. So we are trying to figure out what's the cost of each type of pie. So the things that we don't know are the cost of an apple pie and the cost of a pumpkin pie. You can use different variables if you want, but usually I do one that goes with what we're talking about. So we need to make an equation for Yasani and an equation for Becca. So for Yasani, we're going to have, she sold 3 apple pies, 2 pumpkin pies for $52. So her equation is going to look like this. 3 times A plus 2 times P equals 52. Then for Becca, we are going to do something similar, but relate it to what is in her word problem. So 6 times A plus 3 times P equals 87. Because we're doing a system, you are going to put those two together and decide if you want to do substitution or elimination. Doesn't matter which one. Sometimes it's going to be easier to do one or the other. So I would choose elimination here and multiply the top one by -2 so that my A's cancel out, and I would get negative P equals -17 or P equals $17. And then you would have to use an original equation to plug that 17 back in. It doesn't matter which one you do. So you'd have 3A plus 2 times 17 equals 52. And then you get A equals $6. So you interpret the solution. The fundraiser sold apple pies for $6 and sold pumpkin pies for $17. So the next one, go ahead and read through that, underline or circle stuff that you think are important, and then I'm just going to basically click through the rest of these here and say things that might be important. But pause when you need to so that you can try these on your own and stay caught up here. So these ones are a different style. These are comparisons. So again, you're still going to have your 2 variables. So go ahead and read through the problems, pause it, underline the important stuff. I'm going to click through the rest of these here. So when we get to our system, clearly one is easier to use than the other. So substitution would be easier to use because I have x solved already, like x equals y plus 7. So you can just plug that in. Okay guys, so you have those 6 problems that are at the end of your packet. It's on one page front and back, so please go through those problems and complete those for homework. If you finish them during the class period, just rip that back page off and make sure to put your name on it and then turn it into the bin. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. I will be by my computer. I just cannot come into school today. My little foster dog is having some major issues, and I was up all night with her. So please send me an email if you have any questions. Be nice to the sub, and I will see you guys when we get back from fall break. Have an amazing fall break. Get rested, get relaxed, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.